What is it? What is it?
Oh, it is. It's a.
Semi.
This, right?
Oh, it's a cicada. It's a cicada.
It's
Dude, it's
half
dead. Oh, it's
In fact,
half
there's
dead.
not even any of it left.
Oh my god. Dude, that's some real life kying, man.
That's amazing.
Rob just picks it up.
Konnichiwa. Too late. Save. That was like half a cicada.
Dude, Tracy was like really quiet during this clip. I hate these little shits. You don't like cicadas, Digo? Such an Aussie. Right, that's what I thought. That's what I want to say. Speaking of cicadas, what's this? Oh my. Nantu, what are you making me watch? What the fuck? Wait. Wait, so sometimes... Wait. So sometimes when I'm outside during the summer and it feels like rain, even though there's no rain clouds above me... No! No! Oh, hell no! So that's what drips on me when I'm walking under a tree? Cicada bukkake. No! They've transcended the need for sync. No, Nato, I did not need to see this. This is the last thing I needed to know about. I'm sorry, Diggin. No, I've realized the truth. Ignorance was bliss until now.